Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we are actually at the car lot and we're going to be looking at um classics. We're going to be looking at um when I say classic I mean cars that dates way back, like cars that goes back in the 2000s, like the 90s, those old school classic cars. Yeah, we're going to be taking a look at them. So let's jump into the video, guys. Let's look at some old school classic cars from back in the days. Cars that maybe our grandparents, drove back in the days, and they were cool cars, back then. So let's go ahead and look at a few of them. This is a 1993 Dodge Stealth, two-door sports car. Back in the days, those cars were big boys. So this one, it says it overheats. So that's the primary problem, overheating. Okay, Dodge Stealth, 1993. It seats people in the back as well. Okay. Yep. Okay, sit in here. Oh, the seat is, he said here, yo, all the way on the floor. So there you have it, your 93 Dodge Stealth, automatic. You won't find any modding on stuff right here. So 93 model. So of course it goes for $5,450. Automatic power windows all around. Let's go and pop the hood and see what engine is in there. Cause the tag says manufactured by Mitsubishi Motors Corporation. Okay, so let's see what collaboration Dodge and Mitsubishi did back in the day. Let's go ahead and see. There you have it, your V6 ECI Multi 3000. So you can say 3.0 V6. This is it. So this is your Dodge Stealth. So back in the day, these lights, when you put the switch on, it just flips up, it comes on, giving you that eyebrow design light. Yeah. So let's go ahead and move up to the next vehicle. So this is a 2002 Chevy Camaro. Okay, this goes for now $9,450. An 02 Camaro. I popped the hood. What? Anyway, that's it. So let's go ahead and check out how inside looks. Okay. It's 2002 model Chevy Camaro. This is the 35th anniversary for the Camaro. So this year, 2002 marked the 35th anniversary from 1967 to 2002. So this model was the 35th anniversary model year. So this one came up in 2002. You have your automatic right here. Okay, you have your rear seats right here. Sunroof up here. So let's go ahead and check out the belly of the beast. 28. Let's check out the belly of the beast. There you have it, guys. Straight six with a very big fan guard. Okay. Back in 2002, these were your race cars. You have to fear them on the road. Okay. So there you have it. 02 Chevy Camaro. Let's go ahead and move on to the next vehicle. So this is a Buick. I tried checking it, but I can't get the year model. Comment in the comment section if you're familiar with this. Maybe a grandparent of yours owned one of this before, or you guys still have it. I don't know if this is the name. I'm not sure. But this is a Buick. It's a classic. Yeah. Look at his beauty. Look at that. Let's see what she's working with. Okay. 3.8 V6. Yeah, with the yeah. That's what you have right here. The engine looks good. Okay, let's go ahead and check the interior. This is definitely an old school car, guys, so you wouldn't expect all to be perfect. So this is how it looks inside. It's pretty clean. Okay. Take a look at it. Look at that armrest, which goes back and fits in like a seat. See the gears. See the climate control system. How it looks. Yep. That's it, guys. So let's go ahead and look for another one. This is a 1998 Honda Accord. Yeah, this is a 1998 Honda Accord. Some of us, we are pretty, like we know this car because they still ply the streets. They're still moving strong. These cars, they're very, very, very durable. So let's go ahead and look at it. This one has the leather seats. Unfortunately, there's no radio in here. Okay. I was fortunate to drive one of these in Africa. Yeah, it was I think it was the same year. Mine was a 4-cylinder and it drove very good. Honestly, it did. Few problems here and there. Yeah, this is a 4-cylinder too. Valve cover looks new, like it was changed. Distributor looks new as well. Okay, like couple of work, was done on this one. But there you have it, guys. This is your 1998 Honda Accord. Yes, you have it. This is still a classic. It still drives around like good car. So let's look for another one. This is a 1996 Ford F-150 XLT single cabin truck. This is a 1996 model, guys. Comment if your grandma or grandpa owned one of this. Probably took you to school or something. Or you still have, one of them that does the snow plowing for you, or maybe you haul some of your heavy stuff on the farm or something. Comment if you have one of these or you're familiar with it. Yep. This is the single cabin with the long bed. '96 model, guys. This is a classic one. Yep. Yep. That's the four-wheel locker. Oh, hold on. Let me pop it again. Okay. Let's try that again. If it doesn't open, means it does not work. Nah, it's not. It doesn't open. This is it, guys. Your 1996 Ford F-150. Let's go ahead and check for another one. And this is a 1999 Mazda MX-5 convertible. $19.99 classic, guys. Okay, let's see how that trunk looks. $19.99, guys. You have your battery in the back. $19.99 MX-5. Let's see what the engine looks like. No, this is your manually adjusted convertible top. There's no button to press. You basically release everything yourself. Let's see what's in the belly of the beast. There you have it. Your 4-cylinder. 1999 model, guys. 1999. So let's check out another one. So guys, there you have it. More cars keep coming to the lot. So let's check out this 1998 Saturn. Comment in the comment section. I don't know the name of this one, honestly. Comment in the comment section and tell us. I know it's 1998. I don't know what model is this. I know it's a Saturn, but what model, I don't know. So let's check it out and see. This is a 1998. See the owner's handbook. It looks like a real book. A real book, guys. That's how it looks. So that's how Saturn did this back in '98. This is it. So this is it. Let's go ahead and check the belly of the beast. Woo. It's cold, guys. Very, very, very cold. But we gotta do this. Okay. So there you have it. 1998 Saturn. Comment in the comment section and let us know the model of this one. I don't know. Let's see it. Your 4-cylinder engine. This is it, guys. Let's go ahead and check another one. So thanks for watching this video, guys. We were looking at some old school cars, just looking around, identifying some car that's been around for since the 90s, some of them the early 2000s. We was just looking around. So thanks for watching the video, and of course I will try my best to keep coming out here and doing what I gotta do. So bye, guys. Thanks for the support once again.